make sure that those are done so that everything else can go to plan. Top. So if you have any questions about what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, I have a whole second channel called Wood by Wright How, the number 2. And on that one, we actually go through the why, what is going on, and the how, what am I doing, what am I thinking, and taking this whole thing step by step. So if you want to do more learning and a little bit more behind the scenes of what's going on, check out the second channel. But let's get back to the build here. Remark that. Close. I'll do it without touching that shoulder. Shoulder to be in that far. How far off the line was I? So this tenon will have a mortise that goes into the leg, and this tenon set will have a mortise that goes into the leg, so that when they come together inside, they then pass each other and they cross inside of the leg like that. Arrow points up, and this one is the right leg. Tape always goes in the front. So this needs to go in here in the mortise hole. Come out right there, and right there. Here. Lock all of that in. Transfer a little bit to the corner. Transfer a little bit to the corner. here. And here. There we go. I like that. That is pleasing. That is pleasing. That's what I want to see. Now we pound it out. Put a mark here. And a mark here. Should be able to see the opening through here. Look at that, they cross. We have an opening between them. Look at that. And we go right into that line. Happy. So there's the first corner. That will be the size of the coffee table. Drawer goes in here. And now I've got to do leg, leg. So now that this one's done, this will become my transfer marks. And I can put this height back to the back leg, making sure that from here up is the most important thing on the back. So this one needs to go up. This one is also right. One, two, there we go. Down on there, and down on there. Hopefully it all fits together like intended. There's that one. That one. Light, medium, hard. Oop. Let's try that again. Hard. Shortboard. Mark there. Put one mark there to there. Light. Which side is top? Which side is bottom? This one has smaller rays, but there's a lot more of them here. Got a really cool inclusion here. T, O, P. So, internal measurement. That looks like about the center. And it's off by a little bit. So you need, that's the interior of the leg. And then we'll mark there. That's the other interior of the leg. Okay, so there's one. Here's the back of the leg, so I can use one. Use reality whenever possible. Perfect. Close enough. Over there. Happiness. Look at that, isn't that cute? hold fastnesses. Let's sharpen that thing. Bouncy, bouncy. Make sure that that fits. So there you have it. Stage 2. Next week we're going to be putting in the drawer, putting in the slides, and actually building the drawer. So that will be a really fun one with resawing a bottom, and yeah, lots of interesting things to come. So stay tuned for that. If you are watching this sometime in the future, then I do have plans available for this. There will be links to those down below. If you're watching them currently, I'm sorry, I'm not done building it, so the plans don't come out until the final video. So if you want to see that, well, link down below. If you do have other questions or ideas or wondering why I'm doing something, you might want to check out the second channel. We have a whole second channel that's actually dedicated to the teaching, and it's not just the easy listening with music in the background. So if you like that, there's links to that video down below as well. As well as always, throw your comments down below. Any of the like, comment, share, subscribe, those things do help out, and I read through all the comments I can and answer as many as I possibly can as well. Also, you may have noticed there are a bunch of people scrolling over here. They are patrons on Patreon. They are the ones literally keeping this channel going. Without patrons on Patreon, members here on this channel, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewer, and I hope you like that. That's how I like to run the channel, so I can say what I want to say rather than what the sponsors want me to say. So if you do want to find out more about that, there are links to Patreon down below, or click the little join button and become a member here. We have special perks for both. So I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Some of you may have heard me refer to this as the top, but in reality, I think this is one of those topics that we just need to shelve.